Your new concept points on a grid is for lesson 109. And we are doing this for the 24th of April. If you've ever played Battleship, you know how to do this. This is so fun. If we number the lines on a grid, you can name any point on the grid with two numbers. So you would start here and you would number your grid across the bottom. Then you would start here and you would number your grid going up. The two numbers in parentheses are called coordinates, and we have several coordinates here. They are like the addresses of a point. They tell us how to get to a point starting from 0, 0. The first number tells us how many spaces we move to the right. The second number tells us how many spaces we move up. And boys and girls, it's always in that order. When you are writing a coordinate, you have to write it in parentheses, and then you have a comma between your two numbers. The first number is always how far you go to the right. And the second number is always how many you go up. Let's practice this. So you start here at the 0, and to get to 3, 7, and that's how you say that, 3, 7. You go across 3, 1, 2, 3, and you go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's our dot. Okay, let's do this one. 8, 5. You go across to the 8, you go up 5, and here's your dot, your location for 8, 5. Example 1 says write the coordinates of A, B, and C on this grid. To find the first number of coordinates, we place our finger on the point and we move it straight down until we get to the number at the bottom of the grid. And to find the second number of the coordinate, we place our finger on the point again and move to the left until we get to the number on the side. We write the coordinates in parentheses. So here we find that B is at 5 and B is at 2. So you know that I told you you always put parentheses and you go to your number across first. So this is 2 across and this is 5 up. So B is 2, 5. For A, we go across 4 and we go up 2. And you always write with these parentheses, just like we do on a prepositional phrase, same marks. And then you separate your numbers using a comma. Let's do C. 5 and 4. So we go across 5, we go up 4, and so the coordinates for C are 5, 4. Example 2. Name the letter of the point that has these coordinates. So where is it Q, P, S, or R that has 6, 3? Let's find out. We go across to the 6, we go up 3, and here's our dot, and our letter is R. So you would put your answer. And for B, over 2, up 4. Over 2, up 4. P. Just like Battleship, isn't it? It's a pretty fun game.